Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the previous year GATE question number 82. This question is from GATE 2002 examination. So let us read the question. A step down chopper is operated in the continuous conduction mode in a steady state with a constant duty ratio D. Okay, so here we are having a step down chopper. It is operating in a steady state. Okay, and duty cycle is D or duty ratio is D. If V0 is the magnitude of the DC output voltage and if Vs is the magnitude of the DC input voltage, the ratio V0 by Vs is. Okay, very simple question. If you check for step down chopper, yes, for step down chopper, if you recall, V0 it is equal to D into Vs, right? So therefore, if you check V0 by Vs is equal to D, that is the duty cycle only or the duty ratio only. Okay, so correct option is option D. So this is about question number 82. In the next video, we are going to discuss about question number 83. Thank you.